We're here to show you the Kegel8 cones. They are the pelvic floor muscle exercises set. You've got a 12-week program here and you've got 3 assorted cones. They're called biofeedback cones, so unlike certain cones which you will insert and you wouldn't know what's happening to them and you don't know if you're using the muscles correctly, the Kegel8 cones mean that as you insert the cone, as you squeeze your pelvic floor muscles, if you're getting the right muscles, the cone, the tab part will move down. So that's a visual indicator, that's biofeedback to show you that you are using the muscles correctly. 12 minutes every day, and within 12 weeks you will have a stronger pelvic floor. You will start off with the largest, lightest cone, and by the end of the 12 weeks you'll be holding in the smallest, heaviest cone. And again, you'll be popping the cone in. When you're using the muscles correctly, the wand goes down, and that's the Kegel8 Vaginal Exercise cones. They are available on prescription as well as to purchase online.